So today, fam, we've got Mr. Brady on deck. He is patiently waiting because he thinks he's gonna get a treat. Right, boy? What he's actually going to be getting is this. So this is for dogs with bad breath. And baby, sometimes he be eating or burping and I'm like, woo-wee. I'm like, what is going on here? Now, what gets me is that this is the size of the bottle and it has 400 pills in there, y'all. Let's go ahead and open this up because I'm excited. Look at this. It's actually smaller than my finger. And don't worry, he's still waiting. So let's take a look at these pills because I'm pretty sure that you can go ahead and fit it in a treat. So right here, we have the dosage amount, as you can see right there. Y'all, these are so tiny. So these are definitely meant for digestion purposes. You know, the dogs that don't like to take their medicines or things of that nature. And I'm absolutely in love with that. So we're gonna go ahead and test out giving him one and see what happens. I do have a little treat thingy right here. And I'm gonna gently see if I can press that in to the center. Oh, well, it broke. Let's see if he'll take it. Brady, that's a good boy. Here you go. What a good boy. And look, just like that, he took it. So now, no more bad breath. Would you say it's good? You would, yes. Thank you for that paw, yes. What a good boy. Always reassure him with another one. All right, y'all, so hopefully that was helpful. This is easy for your dog to take with no problems. And I feel like this is a good look, definitely, especially if your dog has bad breath with the burping and the breath. This is definitely gonna be a good look. So save your dog's breath with this. Bye. I also wanted to show you just a couple of features that it says here on the box. So now you know what it's going to be good for.